Assalamu alaikum, you guys. Hope you're doing well. Another day, another video, and today I'm at the Voltage Center to attend the esports festival exhibition. Let's see, and I hope you're all doing well. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you keep updated with all the amazing content that I'm going to bring for you guys. So let's just roll and see what's there for us. And we have to go to their hall number 6 and 5 and 6. So let's just enter from 6 and see what's there. So guys, this is it. Don't you see these cuteness? DK have set their own.
Sign up to this event and still be a winner.
Start from here. And you have multiple. And there are so many stalls over here. They'll all ask you to come over, go and explore. Here they have the event launch exclusives. If you want to just go and buy, like the characters, animated, etc. And then you have all these cutesy characters and things if you want to buy. And Emirates NBD has also set up something, and it's a family zone, and I see it's like a big Korean noodle being set up. Yes, and to which they are saying that it's Korea's #1 noodle. So, and then it's how this retro and everything is. So it's pretty futuristic if you want to come here and enjoy. And if you are a pure gamer, it would be a real delight for you. This is Logitech, whose mouse and so many other stuff we keep on using. Okay, Dubai Police has also have their great kiosk over here. People can go and play games over here. So you know, it's like a whole new vibe that you have. And they have their vehicles standing here. No idea which one is that. And then you have the Dubai program for gaming. It's the future that they are bringing into, and it's so good that they are investing into gaming, because now it's such a big and huge industry throughout the world. So, and then we have the food and beverages zone where we have Talabat. They have such a cute and pretty stall for them, and we have Do and so many more. So just stay put. I'll keep on showing all that to you guys. And we have Samsung over here. Recently I've become a Samsung user as well, so you know, it's kind of a treat for me. Do you see that pretty kiosk of them? So let me just go, because I came with my spouse, and he is a core gamer since forever. So he is stopping on every kiosk just to get some information, or maybe get to know about the things that he wants to have. If he's interested in some games. So I'll just go to him, and once we are on the other side, I'll show you what's there more for us, for you guys, especially for the big gaming guys over there. So stay tuned, you guys, and subscribe to my channel. You see how this cutesy robot is moving around, and it's putting different shows. Isn't it too cute? Wow. Just for your information, that the world is moving towards this side now, and we have such amazing toys which you can control, and it's so cute. The kind of shows that it's putting in is really cutesy. So yeah, that's a little bit for you guys. So guys, here I am in front of the Talabat's kiosk, and we have some gaming arrangements inside. So if you want to come over, just for your reference, for the people especially who are living here in GCC, we have this food delivering app by the name of Talabat, and it's the cutesy kiosk for you to come and play different types of games that they are offering. And this is the food corner. If you want to have some quick bites, you can come over here and get it. And we have few people reporting live from on different channels over here on the television. And here we have something from Duke that's also going on. So it's the telecom provider we have over here, and then there are a few other stalls. Then there is chai walo over here as well, like for tea if you want to come over and have some. But let's see what's going on in the main arena. So there they are playing a game named League of the Legends, and people are just sitting here observing them, and those guys are there. You could see they are here for playing the game. Maybe they are already done, no idea. But I just wanted to give you an overview. Last time also I attended an event of esports the last year. It was in Expo 2020, and it was amazing and so much organized.
They did the best. So let's hear it for Esports Arena!
So guys, now I am in the gaming arena, basically where people are being here and playing all the games. We have Farcana, you have Minecraft, you have PS5 related stuff. So they have their stations and the people are sitting and playing games, you know, entertaining themselves. And you have Shiba, you know, you name it, those kind of all the games, Dragon Ball, Street Fighter, it's happening here. The most amount of people I see are here on Street Fighter. And then you have Discover Mars, Farcana, you have Fortnite, and it's Discover Getaway Showdown, and then you have few more. So I basically know few of them which my husband plays all the time, so I couldn't see that one here. It's taken, it's here, okay. And then we have few more on the other side. So this is basically, it's an arena. You can come over here, play, then outside you can go here in that main place where you can play. You have PS5 related games. So that's the basic idea of esports festival over here. Last time I also attended one and it was amazing. It was rather more amazing than this one this time. So yeah, that's about it, and I hope you have liked my video. I just don't want to add too much of a content for you to not to be able to digest. Less is more, that's what I believe in. So I had to give you an idea. That's, yeah, here also we have gaming festivals, and I hope you have liked my video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I keep on saying it again and again because I can see a lot of you people have accessed the videos but haven't you know, subscribed to my channel. So I am kind of lost because I don't know where my better half is. So let's search for him, and we have an Instagram person over here. I am not very much interested in because they seem to be fake to me a lot more maybe. So yeah, let's just go and show you. If there are some more bits to show, I will definitely do that. Until then, I will take a sign off from you guys from this gaming expo that's been held in the Dubai World Trade Center. Make sure to come and visit next time because it's the last day today. Unfortunately, I even myself came very late to it. So until the very next time, we'll catch up in a very interesting next video with some new content, with some different content for you guys like I'm bringing right now. So until next time, take care, and Allah Hafiz.